Charge. Remove the smart battery. Plug the power cord into the charging port of the smart battery. When the LED indicator is solid red, it means that the battery is being charged. Plug the power cord into the charging port of the remote controller. When the LED indicators light up sequentially, it means that the remote controller is being charged. Instruction for first-time use. Unfold the drone arms and turn. Unfold the remote controller's antenna. Take out the control sticks at the bottom of the remote controller and install them. Connect your phone using the curved end of the cable. Pull open the remote controller and secure your phone in it. Connect the remote controller via the port at the bottom using the other end of the cable. Tap to start Potensic Pro app. Long press the power button to turn on the remote controller. Wait for the phone to connect successfully with the remote controller. Long press the power button to turn on the drone. Wait for the remote controller to connect with the drone. Once connected successfully, tap to enter the flight interface. Installation of MicroSD card. Install the MicroSD card. Remove the MicroSD card.